Right, so today at Auto Sparks we've installed a Ghost immobiliser on this rather nice 2016 Golf R. Very sought after little hot hatch, this one. Nice immobiliser. Basically, if we turn the ignition off and let the car settle down, after 30 seconds the immobiliser automatically arms. There's no LED, no touch key, no remote control, nothing for the end user to have hanging on his key fob. The immobiliser is disarmed by pressing a unique sequence of any of these buttons that we can program to the immobiliser. Any buttons that the customer chooses, unique to each customer, each car, so it keeps it nice and covert, nice and unique, and most importantly combats against key cloning, key theft. So if someone was to steal your key and attempt to start your car, put the key in the ignition, foot on the brake, crank over the car, and then straight away she cuts out. There you go. So we'll turn the key off and we'll have another go. Try again. Crank the car over, and there you go, just cuts out. Now what we need to do is disarm the immobiliser by putting our unique code in using any of the vehicle's factory buttons, which I'll do now. So if I press our buttons, I won't tell you which buttons they are for obvious reasons. So now, once we've done that, we get a couple of little flashes on the indicators to show us that it's disarmed. If I turn the key now, when we put on the brake, car starts, revs stay there. There we go, all good. So a nice, simple, straightforward and covert way of protecting your pride and joy. The list for compatibility is expanding all the time. We cover lots of vehicles with these. The Transit Custom has just been added to the list, so that will be quite a good one for us because we do lots of security on Transit Customs. Range Rover Evoque, other Range Rover models, BMWs, Volkswagen Audi group cars. Quite a few added on the list so far, and it's ever expanding. So give us a call at Auto Sparks or visit us on Facebook, and we can help you secure your vehicle.